Hi everyone, this is Faisal القحطاني. I would like to talk about database systems. The part that I will explain is the database system environment. A DBMS is a complex software system. In this section we discuss the types of software components that consists a DBMS and the type of computer system software with which the DBMS interacts. The first thing, DBMS components modules. The database and the DBMS catalog are usually stored on disk. Access to the disk is controlled primarily by the operating system, which schedules disk read and write. Many DBMS have their own buffer management module to schedule disk read and write, because this has a considerable effect on performance, reducing disk read and write to improve performance. A higher level stored data manager module of the DBMS controls access to the DBMS information that is stored on disk, whether it's part of the database or the catalog. It shows interfaces for the DBA, the database administration staff, causal users who work with interactive interfaces. The DDL compiler processor schema definition specified in the DDL, that means data definition language, and stores descriptions of the schema metadata in the DBMS catalog. The catalog includes information such as the names and size of files names and data types of data items, storage details of each file, mapping information among schemas, and constraints. In addition, the catalog stores many other types of information that are needed by the DBMS modules, which can then look up the catalog information as needed. It is now common to have the client program that access the DBMS running on a separate computer from the computer on which the database resides. The former is called the client computer running. The client computer running a DBMS client software, and the latter is called the database server. In some cases, the client access a middle computer called application server, which in turn access the database server. The database system utilities. In addition to processing the software modules just described, most DBMS have database utilities that help the DBA, database administration, manage the database system. Common utilities have the following types of functions. Loading. A loading utility is used to load existing data files, such as a text file or sequential files, into the database, usually the current source format of the data file and describe and desired target database file structure are specified to the utility, which then automatically reformats the data and store it in the database. Then backup. A backup utility creates a backup copy of the database, usually by dumping the entire database into tape or other mass storage. Database storage recognition. This utility can be used to recognize a set of database files into different file organization and create new access paths to improve performance. Performance monitoring, such as a utility monitors database usage and provides statistics to the DBA to improve performance. The last thing that we will talk about tools, application, environments, and communication facilities. Other tools are often available to database designers, users, and the DBMS. Case tools are used in the design phase of database systems. Another tool that can be quite useful in large organization is an expanded data dictionary system. In addition to storing catalog information about schema and constraints, the data dictionary stores other information such as designer decision usage, standard application program description and user information. Application development environments such as Power Builder or GBuilder have been quite popular. These systems provides an environment of database systems, including database design, graphical user interface development, querying, updating, and application program development. That's it, and thanks for joining us.